Okay, so this was a pretty easy recipe, and I think it's been on enough. It looks like it's done. So let's start taking our guys off of the pan. There we go. This will give you a nice dinner. And after we eat supper, then I figured like we could get some Nintendo time in, maybe play a few games. And then before I get to sleep, I'll work on the rule book a bit more. Like I got a few games I'm making myself. I got to work on the rule books for that. And then I just get up and I'll go to work in the morning, right? And the cycle will repeat. Yeah, look at that big one. So we'll have a good night. We'll get some good dinner into us. And we'll play some games. We'll work on some creative rule books. And then we'll get some sleep. And then I gotta go back to work tomorrow. And it should be cool. I mean, everything's going pretty good. Look at that, right? Yeah, look at that. The seafood. We're doing it in Newfoundland now. I'm assimilating. Look at me fitting in. Yeah, it's gonna taste good. There we go. And of course, we have to dump hot sauce on it. Because it wouldn't be a spicy surprise if there wasn't hot sauce. This is gonna make it swim. Have some fun with the hot sauce on the squid. Oh, I might have put a little bit too much on, but that's okay. We're gonna have a fun night. Oh yeah. So let's look at that. Yeah, that's good to go.